This is the Grand G580, our mid-size family sports premium rigid inflatable boat. Let's take a look around. This G580 is powered by this beautiful white 115 horsepower Yamaha. The G580 can have engines up to 150 horsepower, but the 115 horsepower is a really nice power to weight option for this model. Like all models in the Grand range, 5 meters plus, you'll find 2 step ends on the tubes made of fiberglass and 2 swim platforms either side, with the one on this side having a nice deep telescopic boarding ladder stored neatly underneath. Also at the stern of the G580 are 2 points for towing water sports equipment, rope lockers either side, your fuel filler, water filler, and also a shower down on the transom too. Above the engine well, you then have this ski tower with a ski eye welded into the back. Really nice high towing point for towing water skiers and wakeboarders. On board, at the back of the G580, you've got this large full beam rear seat with a bimini over the top. When folded out, this covers everyone behind the console with nice sunshade. Under the rear seat is a really large stern locker. Holds your battery, and when there's a shower fitted, you'll also have a shower tank inside here as well. And on the back of the helm seat, you've got 2 handrails for people to hold on to while going along, and 2 nice convenient cup holders. The helm seat on the G580 comprises of 2 separate pivoting bolsters. You can have them in the down position to have nice protection behind the windscreen, or in the up position to lean against. The entire helm seat is also completely hollow with an access hatch on the back, so there's a nice amount of storage in there for fenders, docking lines, anything you can think of. The console of the G580 is fitted with all the electronics you would want and require of a boat of this size. You've got a 9-inch Garmin chart plotter, a Scanstrut wireless phone charger, a Fusion stereo with 6 speakers around the boat. You've got 2 nicely located cup holders and a glove box with twin USB sockets inside. A nice premium steering wheel and an ergonomically designed console. The bow area of the G580 is nicely appointed. You've got your console seat, spacing enough for 2, it's nice and wide. There's a locker in underneath there where your boat's fuses are as well. The bow locker area, this is a really vast bow locker, good for a lot of storage. In the middle of this area, you've got a fiberglass table that sits on a pedestal. You take the pedestal away and the table slots in between the lockers with a cushion on top to create a sun deck. You can then have 2 extra boards either side of the console to create a sunbed the entire length of the bow section of the G580. Also at the bow, you can find an option Grand are known and loved for worldwide, and it's their tube-mounted bow handrails. This elevates the freeboard of the boat and has more handles to hold on to. It's a really nice option. And then also the fiberglass bow step plate houses a cleat, roller for your anchor, and your 2 nav lights. As far as materials go, of course, Grand only use the best. You've got Silvertex upholstery by Spradling, Orca Hypalon tubes by Penell & Flippo, and Mocha sea deck flooring. And that is a quick tour of the Grand G580. To have a closer look, pop into your nearest dealer today or send us a message if you have any questions.